In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use the Greenlight card on Cash App and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if we can transfer money from Greenlight to Cash App, we have to go to the official Greenlight website at www.greenlight.com and scroll all the way down. Over here at the bottom of the screen, we will be able to access the Help Center, where they have questions related to everything Greenlight. If we use the search bar over here, we can look for Cash App, and as you can see from the articles that pop up, you will notice that none of them are related to Cash App. As you can see, they can find the word app and the word cash, but none of them are related to the app, Cash App itself. So as of today, is there any way to connect our Greenlight prepaid card to Cash App and transfer the funds, make and receive payments, etc.? Sadly, because Greenlight is a prepaid card, you will not be able to transfer money to Cash App or any other source. Since you need to add money and Cash App does not accept prepaid cards, you will not be able to connect them and transfer money outside of Greenlight to Cash App. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of the Greenlight debit card and why you can't connect it to Cash App. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.